What's going on, mi gente? How's everything going? Yo, so I just got out the shower. My hair's a fucking mess because I didn't even comb it. I just noticed that. Oh my fucking god, I look so fucking bad. So yeah, I'm gonna meet up with Mario in a little bit. He's not really doing anything. I think he was doing body work with one of his buddies or something. I guess he didn't come through, but I'm gonna meet up with him, and then yeah. My brother-in-law's too funny. Too funny. Alright guys, so yeah, I will let it out. Bye.
Next step back, nigga, go to uniform to the brim low. You doubt him, don't know a damn thing about him.
People think they got it, but they don't. Waiting on Mario now. See when the hell he comes. But yeah. Story time. It was last Friday. I was going to races and shit, and I was going with my buddy. And then out of nowhere, a cop pulls up, and he's in front of us, and I'm behind him. I have yellow headlights. And then we somehow get next to each other. He's kind of behind me. I guess he's reading my license plate or whatever. And then all of a sudden I take off and he pulls me over. First thing he says when he comes up, "Wow, there's really nothing in here." I'm like, "Yeah." He's like, "I thought there was two people in here." I'm like, "No, it's just me." He's like, "Wow, and you're on the other side." So I was like, "Yeah." And then he was like, "Well, you know why I pulled you over?" I was like, "No." He was like, "Okay, well, I pulled you over because you have a modified exhaust." I was like, "No, I don't. My exhaust is stock." He was like, "Well, in the state of California," I'm like, "You didn't see the exhaust? Like, it was black. Like, it's stock." And he was like, "Really?" I'm like, "Yeah." And he was like, "All right, can you step out the car?" I'm like, "Sure." Stepped out the car, went to the back. He's like, "You see? It's a stock exhaust." He was like, "Wow, it sounded a little different." I'm like, "Yeah." Like, in my head, I was like, "Yeah, it's because it's straight pipe to the muffler." And then, yeah, that's why. But when I'm driving normal, can't really hear it that loud or whatever. So that was funny. And then he's like, "Oh, can I get your license?" I'm like, "Sure." Goes back to his car or whatever, fucking puts my license in his thing or whatever. And then he comes back out, he's like, sorry for pulling you over. I'm like, this motherfucker, bro, are you serious right now? But yeah, it was some stupid shit. It was funny though. It's funny just his reaction and everything. But yeah, so I'll see you guys when Mario gets here. It's good, dog.
Fuck is up? Congratulations on the quitting.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
You don't usually congratulate someone for that, but it pushes them to succeed. Fuck a job.
Yeah,
I'm on
bro.
that same grind.
Fuck a job. That's how me and my boy in Cali were for a little bit after we got out the Marine Corps. We'd be playing Fortnite. Man, fuck a job, dog.
I mean, honestly, fuck a job, bro. You don't really. I mean, I don't know. I don't know how to put it in, but like, I don't need a job.
Oh yeah, you live with your parents though.
But I'm trying to move out.
I don't know what is gonna go on tonight, but I know that there's meats like every fucking night, so.
Is there meat?
I don't fucking know, dude.
Bro, I hate the way my car looks right now.
Bro, your car's hurt.
It's so fucking bad, man. So, you know, gave that a pass, but I'm gonna be on the lookout for a driver fender. The other fender is perfect, just that one's fucked, man. For now, it's just primered up, some the parts, and bondoed.
Right there, when I did that pull. Fuck. Saw the cop?
Damn, bro.
Oh, damn. Lemonade.
Lemonade. A lemonade.
A lemonade. I wouldn't mind a Miata, dude. Like, this shit's nice. My boy had one too, and I used to drive that shit when the Evo was down, so I drove it a lot.
I had one and it kind of gave me problems, but I wouldn't mind giving it a chance. But I want an NA. I had an NB. I hate NBs. I love these.
That shit's pretty nice. It's pretty clean. I like it.
But let me do it.
Here's a little time lapse.
Here's a little gate lapse.
Fuck you.
Let's sit on each other's.
We love you. I fade out without strength, without love. I lose sense, I lose sight. Without you, without light. What would I do without you?
Damn, I need to get my shit detailed. Oh my god. Just made it a speed zone right before they closed. My buddy ran out of gas and he was like, yo, can you stop by and get me this part real quick? I ordered it and it just came in. So yeah, fuck it, why not?
When you grow older, yeah, it becomes really uncomfortable. What's going on, brother? I know exactly what you're picking up.
What up, guys?
Picking up Christian's downpipe?
Yeah.
Take it, bro, stay up.
Did he call you or?
Yeah, he let me know. He said he was coming, so.
Oh, okay, cool. Yes, sir.
Good to go.
Cool, man. Man, if I ever got into the muscle scene, that is exactly what I would do. God, that Grand National is so clean. I don't know if it's original or a clone though for what is it, it's like a certain model, but it's like black on black, but they only made like for 1 year. Man, that thing is super clean though. This freaking guy, man. Alright, so check this out. My boy Chris, like I told you, alright, check him out. He details like this GTR. He has another GTR client. He has a Audi R8 client. Like, come on guys. Like, give this guy a follow. Let him like detail your car. Shit is, it's amazing. Did you finish detailing it?
Yeah. It was It was a touch up because I already had worked on it. Still got some more to go. It's got a little swirl marks of me running through the wash.
Yeah.
So I gotta work on that again. So yeah, gotta work on the swirl removal again. But it was just a quick wash. So this is gonna go out and I'll take care of it.
Nice, man. Nice. But yeah, the owners are like, yo, fuck it, just drive my car. That's sick. I wish I had clients like that.
This fucking guy, man.
I wanna roll the window down because it's gonna get dirty.
Yeah. How far is the place?
It's a high work. That's like 10 minutes away or 15 away.
Okay. Does he have anything done to it?
700 horsepower.
Shit. Okay.
Not a
Yo, just they can let me roll next to you so I can fucking get you. Okay. That's just nice. I like it.
That's
Fuck.
if you put Arbo, this thing is insane.
Holy shit. This is one of the reasons why I quit my job. So you guys could experience the same shit that I experience. Like, this is crazy. God damn. Holy shit. That shit was fucking insane, dude.
I think he's got a roof back though.
Oh yeah? Fuck it, that shit's still fast. Hell yeah. Yeah. Well, that was pretty dope. Just caught that on camera. Why you gotta embarrass me like that, dog? Alright, so I'm standing here and I'm just, you know, going through my phone or whatever because I'm waiting for Christian to turn in the GTR to the dude that owns it or whatever. And then all of a sudden I'm like, huh, let me see. I got a DM on fucking Instagram. This guy's hilarious. Alright, so listen to this. It's from Honda Vlogs, from Christian. Alright.
I exaggerate a lot, bro, but I'm telling you right now, you know, I'm being legitimately honest with you. In the past probably 2 days, I've eaten 37 to 40 cuties. Those little mandarins, they come in the little bag. They're like fucking candy to me, bro. Candy. I can eat those as much as I can eat like runts or fucking Sour Patch Kids. You know what I mean? Like, it's almost satisfactory to just crack open a good fucking cutie. The skin is thick enough to where it just comes apart. You know what I'm saying, bro? So in the past 2 days, I've probably eaten like fucking 37, fucking 40 of them, bro. My girlfriend bought me a heating blanket for Christmas. I sleep with that shit because, man, I'm Mexican as fuck. I need it warm, but I leave the window cracked because you need that fresh fucking air, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, bro, I'm laying there trying to get fucking comfortable, and I feel it in my stomach. A little bit of like a fuck, dude, not right now, man. I'm trying to go to sleep. You know what I'm saying, bro? bro. So I'm fucking sitting there on my left side. Ooh, that doesn't work. Lay on your back, bro. Just lay on your back. Chill out for a fucking minute, you know what I'm saying? Couldn't help it, dude. I'm just sitting there quenching my ass cheeks, and you just hear a little like, and I'm like, oh no, this isn't good. And I'm like, oh god, a 3-shot? We're fucked. My girl's like, what the fuck, bro? You just fart? I'm just trying to play it off, bro. You know, just trying to play it off like you're asleep. And I'm just like, no. She goes, no, you answered too quick. You're fucking awake. I fucked my own plan up, bro. I was trying to pretend like, shit, dude, I was just going to sleep. Oh my god, what fucking happened, bro? Oh my god, these oranges, they're fucking killing me. Then fucking sitting there, waft the fucking bed sheets, dude, and I get a whiff. You know when you get a whiff of your own fucking stank ass fart, and you're like, oh my god, that's bad. Dude, my own nose told me that's a 9. Oh shit, bro, your own fart was a 9. So all I could be thinking right now is like, if your own fart is a level 9, that's like a level 25 to another nose, bro. I swear to fuck, dude, I thought my girlfriend was gonna throw up. I'm sitting there trying to hold back the tears like, holy shit. Dude, I was having a fucking rough night, bro. That's all I'm fucking saying. That's all I'm fucking saying. It was just a rough night.
That is hilarious. Oh my god. He's like, yo man, like I've been thinking about doing like stand-up comedian or whatever, and I'm like, bro, go for it. Like you'll be perfect. The way that he just talks, like, and everything's just in sync, and like he doesn't skip a beat when he fucking tells his stories and shit. And these are actual stories that he tells. Like he's told me, he's like, bro, I have so many like crazy fucking stories that have happened to me. And I'm like, bro, just go out there and share the experience, bro. This shit it's so funny, bro. Oh my god, I was literally dying. Oh my Lanta. Man, today was a busy day, and I was just hanging out. I really want to thank every one of you guys for everything that you guys have done. You know, just watching videos, leaving dope ass comments. I always try to reply to everybody's comments, and I always try to reply to like everybody's DMs as well. Today was epic. It was a really good day, in my opinion, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video as well. If you guys did, leave a thumbs up. If you guys didn't, leave a thumbs up. I'm pretty tired. Probably gonna talk to my wife and just chill, hang out. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, so deuces, one love.